Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're not just reviewing a car. We're experiencing a masterpiece of automotive engineering and luxury. This is the Bentley Continental GT, and I'm here to tell you why it might just be the new king of grand tours. Just look at it. From every angle, this car exudes power and elegance. The front is dominated by that iconic massive matrix grille, flanked by these stunning crystal-cut effect-LED headlights. Seriously, they look like fine jewelry. The design team at Bentley has done an incredible job sculpting these lines. See how this power line flows from the headlights all the way back to the muscular rear haunches. It gives the car a sense of speed even when it's standing still. And these massive 22-inch wheels, they fill the arches perfectly, giving it a stance that's both aggressive and sophisticated. The rear is just as beautiful, with these elliptical taillights that mirror the shape of the exhaust pipes below. It's a design that's cohesive, timeless, and absolutely breathtaking. But a Bentley is about more than just looks. Let's step inside. Opening this heavy solid door feels like opening a bank vault. And once you're in, wow, the scent of hand-stitched leather and real wood veneer immediately hits you. This isn't just a car cabin, it's a bespoke suite tailored to perfection. Everything you touch feels substantial and of the highest quality. The cold, knurled metal on the switchgear, the deep gloss of the wood trim that wraps around the entire cabin, and this ridiculously soft leather on the seats. These are the comfort spec seats, which means they have heating, ventilation, and a massage function. Trust me, you could drive across a continent and get out feeling more refreshed than when you started. Now, let's talk tech. In the center, you have the incredible Bentley rotating display. When you start the car, the wood panel silently rotates to reveal this beautiful 12.3-inch high-resolution touchscreen. It's slick, responsive, and has all the features you'd expect, like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But if you prefer a more classic look, another press of a button rotates it again to show 3 elegant analog dials: a compass, an outside temperature gauge, and a chronometer. It's a piece of pure automotive theater, and I absolutely love it. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster, which is configurable to show whatever information you want, from navigation to performance data. It's the perfect blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. Of course, the heart of any Bentley is what's under the hood. In this model, we have the phenomenal 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. It produces a staggering 542 horsepower and 770 Newton-meters of torque. What does that mean in the real world? It means this 2-ton-plus luxury barge can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The acceleration is relentless, but delivered in such a smooth, effortless wave that it never feels violent. It just gathers speed with an authority that's truly addictive. And the sound, oh, the sound. In comfort mode, it's a distant, refined rumble. But put it into sport mode, and the active exhaust opens up, treating you to a deep, menacing V8 burble that pops and crackles on the overrun. It's a sound that will make you smile every single time. But what's it like to actually drive? This is where the Continental GT truly shines. Thanks to its advanced air suspension and active anti-roll system, the car performs a sort of magic trick. On the highway, it glides over bumps and imperfections like they don't even exist. The cabin is so quiet and serene, you feel completely isolated from the outside world. It is, without a doubt, one of the most comfortable cars I have ever driven. You could cruise for hundreds of miles and feel completely relaxed. But then, you find a winding country road. You switch the drive mode selector to sport, and the car's personality completely transforms. The suspension firms up, the steering becomes heavier and more direct, the throttle response sharpens, and that glorious V8 comes to life. Suddenly, this luxury cruiser feels like a genuine sports car. The all-wheel drive system provides immense grip, allowing you to power out of corners with incredible confidence. It feels so much smaller and more agile than its size would suggest. The way it manages its weight is nothing short of an engineering marvel. It's this dual personality that makes the Continental GT so special. It's the ultimate grand tourer, equally at home on a cross-country road trip as it is carving up your favorite back road. Let's talk about some of the details that make this car feel so special. The diamond quilting on the seats and door panels. For example, each diamond is made up of 712 individual stitches. That's an insane level of detail. The optional Naim audio system is another highlight, with 18 speakers and 2,200 watts of power. It's like having a private concert hall on wheels. The sound quality is absolutely phenomenal, crisp and clear at any volume. Even the tactile feedback from the controls, like the organ stop air vents, has been perfectly engineered to feel satisfying. It's this obsession with the small things that separates Bentley from other luxury brands. So, is the Bentley Continental GT the perfect car? Well, it comes pretty close. Of course, this level of craftsmanship and performance comes with a hefty price tag. And the fuel economy from that V8, well, if you're asking about that, this probably isn't the car for you. Rear seat space is also a bit tight for adults on longer journeys, making it more of a 2+2 than a true four-seater. But these are minor criticisms in the grand scheme of things. What Bentley has created here is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a rolling piece of art that combines breathtaking design, old-world craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology in one incredible package. It can be a serene and comfortable limousine one moment and a fire-breathing sports car the next. It's a car that makes every journey feel like a special occasion. For me, it has redefined what a grand tourer can be. It's beautiful, it's brutally fast, and it's built with a level of care and attention to detail that is simply unparalleled. Is it the new king of luxury? After spending a week with it, I have to say, the crown fits perfectly. What do you guys think? Is the Continental GT the ultimate grand tourer? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.